Appalachian Outdoors out here camping out these next 4 or 5 days here at the 2026 Spring Bushcraft Meetup in the mountains in Letcher County, Kentucky at the Fish Pond Lake. Beautiful morning. Had a little rain early this morning before daylight. So far, the sun's coming out. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. But anyway, just want to give you a quick unboxing video, a quick look at a knife I picked up over Memorial Weekend from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. It's a Kizer out of the Vanguard series. Here's what I paid for it. And there's your specs. This is the Polaris. It's designed by Azo. It's a 4 1/4 inch blade, 1095 steel, G10 handles. So this is their bushcraft blade. I thought for 53 bucks I'd give it a shot. Not too bad a looking knife. Not a lot of videos out there on it, so I figured it comes in a very nice box, as you can see. This is how it comes packaged. Not sure why they put a bow drill divot in the main end of the handle. I don't understand that part of it, but I never was a big fan of bow drill divots in handles anyway. Just a good way to get cut. But as you see, both sides of it. It is a full tang knife. The edge on it, it's got a coating, so I don't think it'll strike a ferro rod. It is a little rough. It's not a sharp 90-degree spine, but I believe it will scrape. It is a Scandi grind, which is something you don't see much. It feels pretty good. Let's see. So here's the sheath it comes with. It does have a diamond stone on the spine of this sheath to sharpen your knife, touch your edge back up. That's pretty neat. Silicone pack inside there. There we go. But paperwork, a little rag to wipe it down with, and it tells you about your Scandi. So that gives you a quick look at this knife. I wear a extra large in gloves, so you can see plenty of real estate there to get a hold of. Jimping on the spine in 2 different places. I'll do another video when I get back from camping, or maybe while I'm camping. There's gonna be a lot more people here, so it's gonna be kind of hard to shoot some video, but maybe when I get home I can give you guys a better look at the knife using it. We'll try it out and see how it does. It shows the tang sticks out past the handles. It's a clean looking knife. I'm not a fan of coated blades, but we're gonna try it out for $53. We'll give it a shot and see. But there you go, a quick look at the Kizer Polaris. Appalachian Outdoors out. God bless.